This is the dishwasher. It's an unusual dishwasher. It has two drawers. Each one is identical, exactly the same. And if you just come in here, we have to put the liquid in there. So you put a little bit in each side. That lives in this drawer. Occasionally you have to put rinse aid in there, which I also keep in here. So this is there's actually plenty in there, but you just put a little bit, it doesn't take very much. And that's like once a week maybe. And then once a week maybe you put salt in here as well. But again, it's not very often. It's really difficult, I don't know. They don't design that very well. It's very difficult to get the salt in there. But that goes in there. So it's not just any old salt, it's special dishwasher salt. Yep. Can't get that back on. There we go. And then so we won't video the whole loading the dishwasher things. That would take a long time. But if there's coffee grounds or something like that, just rinse those out. It's a good idea. And I usually put cups in this section here, or mugs. And you've got these. These are adjustable, those things. And then it works quite well, whoops, to put glasses above there. Cutlery obviously goes in there, and then plates, if you fill from the back, is usually the best thing. Obviously if there's a lot of food you scrape that off. Cutlery, plates, it's best to put, there's a lot of crumbs on there, so I'm just going to get rid of those. Okay, imagine I filled that up. And things like bowls, they're better off at the front there, like that. And other bits and pieces you can just fit in wherever there's space, really. So once you've filled it, let's imagine I filled that now. You then have to press the power button here at the front. It makes a nice little tune, that one. And then you need to choose the program. So if you look on the top here, see that little red light, these are basically about how long it runs for. So that's the longest and that's the shortest. But I think it's safer just to use the longest program all the time. If you want to change it, you just touch that. You don't have to press it, you just touch it. But I leave it on the pots and pans one, and that will run for 2 hours now. It takes 2 hours. And then once you've filled it, you make sure the program is on the right thing, and you press the middle button, which is play, if you like, and that makes it run. But I won't do it now because I haven't filled it yet. If you need to stop it for some reason, so while it's running it's locked, you can't open the door. If you need to stop it, you need to press the lock button, and that will unlock it, and then you can open it if something goes wrong. And that's how to use the dishwasher.